Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be trying 3 new products today. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, La Vida Rosa Style, where you can find cute accessories like the ones I'm wearing right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright y'all, so if y'all saw my last video, then y'all know that my hair is all touched up. And right now is probably not the best time to try new products, but I want to. A while ago, I got this package from Sally, and it sent me a whole bunch of new products to try. So on the few videos coming up, I'm going to be trying these new products, and I'm so excited to try the ones I have for today. So my hair is at the point where it needs to be twisted up. So I'm going to be using the LOC method, and for the leave-in, I'm going to be using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Rinse Out or Leave-In Conditioner. For the oil, I'm just going to be using regular olive oil. I've been loving olive oil in my hair lately. My hair loves olive oil, so I'm just going to mainly use that for the oil. And then for the cream, or this is cream-like, I'm going to be using Eden Bodyworks Hydration Custard. And as y'all can see, it's extremely thick and creamy. So first I'm going to take the Main Choice leave-in. And it really does smell like tropical. It smells like all the tropical fruits you can think of. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And my hair is already a little damp. I just washed it, but I'm going to spray it a little bit more. And then I'm going to add this conditioner from the root to the end. And next, I'm going to take a little bit of oil and focus more so on the ends. Okay. And then I'm going to take some of the hydration custard, which I said, like I said, it was super thick. And I'm going to apply that last. And my hair is like really loving these products, by the way, as you can see. This one smells good too. It's like, it smells tropical, but more like toned down. Yeah, it smells like mangoes or something like that. And by the way, I'll link all of these products below. So here's how my hair is reacting, and it's just like so full of life. The curls are popping out. Really likes these products. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a comb and detangle. Never detangle dry hair. I don't know if I'm gonna do a twist out or a braid out. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it. Basically, I'm just gonna do that to my entire head. Alright y'all, so now that I'm done twisting my hair, I'm going to apply some As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care, and it's an olive and tea tree oil treatment. Yeah, I just applied some to my scalp because I like to put oil in my scalp, and then massage it in And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep, and we'll see how these twists come out in the morning, and then I'll tell you how I really feel about these products, because I like them right now, but the true test is tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Alright y'all, so I took down my twist and I picked it out, and I like volume over definition. Even though my hair did have a little definition, I wanted to fluff it up some. My hair is literally still, it's not damp, but it still has a little wetness to it. But overall, I was especially worried about my roots. My hair feels very soft, it feels moisturized. I feel like the conditioner and the custard really did a great job working together. I love the custard because thick products always work the best on my hair. Like anytime I put any sort of cream or, you know, just something real thick on my hair, it always works the best. But it works better whenever I use a water-based leave-in conditioner first. And so once the water-based conditioner kind of like opens up the cuticle, that's when you apply the thickness of a custard or something like that. And it just really livens my hair up. My hair absolutely loves products like those, and I feel like these two products really, I love them both. And the best part is I smell so good. My hair smells like you're on a tropical beach or something. Like, it smells so tasty. It's making me want fruit right now. And also at the very end, I applied the DevaCurl High Shine Multi-Benefit Oil, and it's supposed to be like a finishing oil to give it some sort of shine and, you know, make it look a little bit more radiant without weighing it down. And I feel like that did its job as well. I actually just got that today and I couldn't wait to try it. So yeah guys, let me know what you think about my hair down below. Have you used any of these products? And also, do you have any products you can recommend for someone with thick color treated hair? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.